Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Causebox. This box is freaking heavy. Freaking heavy. This weighs 7 pounds. Okay, no wonder I am like, oh, I can't lift this up. I'm actually just going to put those over there so I can use my actual desk here. Okay. So my babysitter, she's hasn't been feeling well, so she's just texting me. So hi Gracie, if you're watching. And Abby. Abby's a babysitter. Gracie's her little sister who likes to watch my videos, so everyone say hi to Gracie. Alright, sorry. Anyway, okay. Guys, oh, my chest hurts, I think, from throwing up this weekend. Okay, I know you wanted to know that. Okay, so I just want to refresh you guys. Causebox is an American box. The nice thing is that it does ship FedEx 2 days, which is nice. So I'm seasonal and I didn't get to pick anything. So I'm going to see if I get the box that I really want. So the first choice was a robe or towels. Okay, so I'm leaning more towards the robe, but I'll be happy if I get the towels. Okay. The second item, I believe, was a lantern and a tea infused bottle or something, water bottle. I want the lantern. And I can't remember any of the other choices right now. I am so freaking excited right now. Okay. Also, I got a friend of mine signed up for the Causebox, so I am getting the PMD, but if you go down to my link below, you can get a PMD too, a microderm valued at $150 American or about $200 Canadian. That's really awesome. Just use my link. There's 2 links. So one will save you $10 off, and one will give you the PMD at full, paying for the box full price. Now, you will not get this box. You will get the welcome box. The first spoiler out for the welcome box is the PMD cleanser, which I've gotten a few times. I've given away. Everybody seems to want one, so go ahead and grab yours. Okay, so I think this should tell me. I'm hoping it doesn't tell me what I was. Oh, the facial pads or the basil grow kit. So it was the second one, and yeah. Okay. So Tease Tea Artisan Directs Volume Love Scrub Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Gel or Tribe Alive Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff. And then there's the green coat with the buzzy seeds. So the buzzy seeds, I would likely give those to my mom because I'm horrible at growing anything in my house. Anything. My mom or my mother-in-law. And then every box comes with the core bamboo serving set and the Way of Will brightening face serum. Okay. Alright guys, so let's... So this is the PMD Microderm. And if I get 3 friends to sign up, I'll get one of these. Okay, so unlike mass-produced fashion, the waffle bathrobe towel and towel set from Bathin were both hand-woven from 100% cotton and hand-dyed using 100% non-toxic dyes. For optimal preservation and minimum shrinkage, we recommend the following care. Hand or machine wash your waffle bathrobe or towel in cold water. Bonus, this is also a better way to save energy. Also lay flat to air dry. While waffle weaves will naturally contract, it should typically stretch back out to its original size and time. To maintain the fabric exactly as you can, use a warm iron as needed. Okay. I got the bath towels in gray, which is okay because I see everything else. Okay, so oh no, I got the Robe. Okay, okay. Ooh. Oh, it's a short one. It's a short sleeve one. Oh, that's okay. I've been trying not to buy one, so. Okay. Okay. So this is valued at $90. I did get the tees. Includes double wall glass tumbler. Was really hoping for the artisan candle. Now the nice thing is that these are both valued at almost the same price. So I mean, either one you're not getting like, you know, like something better or something like better value or worse value. Okay, so this is a glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler. I would never spend this much money on a jar, as you guys know. You wait to brew, used for coffee, tea, and fruit infusions. Okay, so I can put my tea in here. You know what? I really do need to start drinking more tea. So, I mean, maybe I'll use this after all. Okay, so, yeah, it has a little, I like the lid on it. So, yeah. I like this part of it. Thought it was going to come in a different, but it doesn't. I like the sleeve. I really, really do. Actually, my fiance drinks teas a lot, so yeah, he might even be able to use this if I don't. Okay, so then I did get the Basil Complete Grow Kit, Healthy Home 20-minute recipe inside. So this is valued at $10. A set of 10. Oh, freshen up Mariga pizza or your go-to salad greens with homegrown basil, valued at $10. Okay, not something I was particular for. So, I already have this and I do like it. It is the muscle Aromatherapy muscle de-stress gel. I have stopped using it because I do use other things to help with the pain in my arm. So I would have preferred something a little bit more. Now this is valued at $39, where the Love Scrub was valued at $56, which I kind of was leading for, or the bracelet, which is valued at $42. Okay, so the Way of the Will is valued at $37.50. So I'm just going to open this to see what is. Ooh. Okay. So this is for a healthy, dewy glow, fights free radicals, and hydrates skin, made with vitamins A and C. So let's see. Oh, okay, so it helps with damaged skin. So with that being said, might give it a try. I might actually even put it in a giveaway because it is a high valued item. Come on. I want to put you down here. Okay, so I am a little disappointed, but I mean, it's not really their fault. These just send out boxes. I did get the Robe, so I am happy with that. I thought it was gray, but it's mint or charcoal. Okay, so I thought it was white and it's mint, which is fine with me. I'm not gonna fuss over that part of it. Okay, so I love cutting boards. Okay, so this is nice. So this is valued at $35. It's bamboo. I love the tongs. I'm gonna have to hide these from my kids. You can definitely tell that I love the fact that these aren't like machine perfect. You can definitely tell like this was knitted together, right? Can you see that? So that's kind of neat. Anyway, I really like this box. With the help of you guys, my subscribers, using it, it basically didn't really cost me a whole lot. So, am I going to complain? Not one single bit. Nope. I'm going to enjoy my robe. It is a little bit big on me, but that's okay. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to start maybe drinking my peppermint teas to see if that will help calm me, because I do like peppermint. As well as this, I'll have to go upstairs. I just saw this and pack it away. So I might actually put this in a giveaway. Not because I don't like it, because I want to share it, okay? And as for this, I might use this as a gift, or I might even start it, really. I would have loved the makeup rounds, but hey, you can't always get what you want, and sometimes you just get what you need. Anyway, I'm likely going to put this in a giveaway because I do have too much facial serums. I just don't need any more. Was that everything, guys? I can't remember. This, yeah, okay. So, I thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the people that are watching, all the people that use my links. I noticed that I'm getting a little bit more of you guys following and using my links, and I can't thank you guys enough. I'm truly blessed. I know a lot of people ask me why I do this. I've wanted to share my love of things. I try not to be too negative, especially with a box that I don't like, and say, like, you know, don't go out and buy this. As you guys have noticed, I have dropped down in boxes. I'm just getting my BoxyCharm Premium and my BoxyCharm Base, and the furnace guy left, and I don't even know what I can afford next month, because we may need to replace our furnace. So anyway, this fall box is completely sold out. So if you want to sign up for the welcome box, and you guys remember, if you guys go back to my welcome boxes, I loved all of my welcome boxes. They were absolutely amazing. So right now it just shows the PMD, and I kind of wish I grabbed the PMD because, yeah. Okay, wait a second here. Hold on. Shows the lantern. I was really hoping for this lantern for my daughter because she loves stars. So, you know. The cutting board and the, yeah, those are going to be some of my absolute use all the time. So this is the tea tumbler. So mint and lime. Blackberry and sage. Rosemary, raspberry, jalapeno orange. You can even put coffee in this. That's kind of neat. Vitamin C U. And then it shows you how to do the basil garden. So Tribal Live empowers women around the world to find financial freedom through safe and meaningful employment and at living wages. They measure success by impact, not profits, moving the fashion industry towards a more human approach. So that's a bracelet you could have got. So the Bath and Waffle bathrobe and towel set. The bath and products in this box were delivered in partnership with Causebox. They were produced by artisans in India, helping provide sustainable, meaningful employment to a predominantly female team. That's awesome. Portion of proceeds from every TET's order goes supports organizations who are on a mission to empower women and young girls. To date, they've contributed over $150,000 in product and financial support. So, I mean, you're not just getting a good box at a good price. You're also getting something that gives back. So in turn, you are actually giving back. And that's one of the reasons why I do like Causebox. I find that, and like, I mean, even the book is completely recyclable, which is nice. They tend to, you know, and they like include a little postcard. And I mean, you can tell that it's a different material than what we're used to. And I love it. I love that they're so earth friendly when we're in a world where we just throw away so much and we have so much. So this is a really nice box. I like the fact that there are a little bit of different variants. So you can order more than one box. You can have more than one account with them. They don't, you know, they don't really mind that at all. The only thing with the PMD is make sure that you're not referring to yourself, because when you do that, they know, and they will not send you the PMD microderm. So anyway, yes. So how do I rate this box? I would say this was definitely kind of a bit of a bummer when I first looked at it, but now that I'm sitting in front of it, I actually think I will use most of it, with the exception of a few things, only because I've had them before or I have way too much. I do like the fact that it's more housewares than beauty, because I do have a lot. I don't really need any more. I do like the way that everything in this box feels. It feels very earthy, very calm, and very organic. So yeah. Do I have to go to work today? Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And please, 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 if you guys do want to sign up for the welcome box, I will do my best to put in some spoilers and whatnot. So yeah, use my link way down below. There's 2 links, one for $10 off, or you can get a free PMD microderm when you sign up. Yeah, so anyway, have a great day. And please don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.